Hello my friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to redirect or forward your website to another website or directory. Okay guys, I want to redirect or forward my website to another website or another directory. First of all, let's see an example. Here my website name is webishmedia.com and I want to redirect it or forward it to, for example, google.com, yahoo.com or another website. How can I do it? By doing some settings in cPanel. After logging to cPanel in this main page, please come to domain area. In this section, go to redirects and fill a form. Fill the settings. The first question is which type of redirection we want to have. We have two types, permanent and temporary. What's the difference between them? Here explains that a permanent redirects will notify the visitor's browser to update any bookmarks that are linked to the page that is being redirected, but in temporary redirection, it will not update the visitor's bookmark. So I select by default permanent. And in second field, I choose the domain name that here my website is webishmedia.com, or I can select a folder or directory in this website, and here I type the destination website that I want to forward my website to it. Just please be careful to type HTTP in the beginning of your address. .google.com. Okay, and then we should choose if we want to redirect our website with www or not. That by default I choose this option, redirect with or without www, and then press the and button. Okay, it's done. Let's go to see the result. Now I type my website address, that is webishmedia.com, and press enter, and as you can see I am redirected to Google website. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Just remember to subscribe my channel and support my videos by your likes and comments. Thank you.